let's record this. Because this is a printing. See here you printed and cursor went to next line. And 1 also printed, cursor went to next line. C also printed, cursor went to next line. True printed, cursor went to next line. 3.45 printed and cursor went to next line. So if we want to print in the same line, because this ln means, print ln means, okay, print this, whatever is there in this parenthesis and go to new line. First it will print, then cursor will move to next line. Then this will print, cursor will move to next line. So who is instructing that? Print ln. Print ln means print, then go to new line. That's the meaning of print ln. So output, this is outputting this value and print to the console. Because I want to print in the same line. So then you have a one more method, system.out.print method. There is a print method is there. See, you can print a Boolean value. You can print a character. You can print an array. You can print a double. So you can print any kind of data. You can print a string. You can print an object. You can print a long value. Any kind of data you can print it. So we'll discuss these data types also. I'll just print now empty. Okay, I'll just leave it empty. Some space I'll give. Same I want to print. One more lines I want to print, but different. This time I want to print 100. This time I want to print false. This time I want to print 2.5. So like this I printed, I just used print method. Please catch here. How this is executing, please catch that. What happened? 3.45 is ended here. Then space is printed because of this. Space after only this 100 is printing. 100 after immediately false is printing. False after immediately 2.5 printed. 2.5 after end of statement. All printed in the same line. Then what is the meaning of this? It just prints in the round parenthesis, whatever is there. Cursor will stay at the end of that only. Now see, space is printed, cursor stayed here. That's why next line, 100 is printed there only. 100 after, 0 after cursor is there. That's why next line, false is printed there only. That means the cursor is not going to the next line. So false is printed, after false only cursor will be there. Cursor is not moving to the next line. You are not instructing. You are just telling, okay, just print it and stay there only. Cursor will stay at the end of that printed line after only. So here, then 2.5, then stay there only, it is saying. Then end of print statement, then stay here only. It won't go to next line because you didn't call print ln. That's the difference between print and print ln. Is this clear or any doubts here? Print ln and print difference. Then what is system? What is dot? What is out? What is println and print? I already told. So system is a built-in class in Java. What is system? System is a built-in class in Java, which is See, in the java.lang package, this system class is created. So the system class has several useful methods and fields. So there are many fields are there. System class, many fields. I told you class can contain variables, methods, right? So many things it will be there. Same way, system also has some fields and methods. So we'll see all of them later. But so if you want to understand that, what is system.out.println, just go here and you have clearly explained. Here you can see. So what is system.out.println? It's a print statement in Java. Println or print. Then what is system here? System is a built-in class in Java. This class is created under java.lang package. Then what is dot? See, I'm explaining each and every part here. What is dot? Dot is an operator which is used to access the field or method of that class. Now, can you tell me what is out? Out is a field of this class, system class. So this dot is connecting system class out variable. Out is a variable. So that means operator, dot operator is used to access the field or method of that class. What is out? Out is a static final variable in the system class. The data type of this out is a print stream class. Now system.out means it outputs the any value. So system.in, another variable, in variable, which is used to take the input from the keyboard. So which it takes the input from the keyboard. Another variable, ERR variable. You want to print some error. Suppose you want to print error here. System dot ERR dot println. I'm bringing the cursor to next line because now cursor is here. I'm bringing the cursor with println. Println will tell, go to the next line. Print this empty space and go to the next line. ln will tell you, go to the next line. You're not printing anything, just nothing. You're calling the cursor from here to here and cursor will go to next line. Every statement must end with a semicolon. Otherwise, your code won't compile. Suppose if I remove this, see it is throwing error. The error line. So what is this? Syntax error. Insert semicolon to complete the statement. So that's why you must, every print statement must end with a semicolon. That means end of that statement. So here, I'm just telling. See, ERR I used, not out. That means it prints in the red color in the console. Execute this. Can you see this? This is the error line. Because we used ERR. That's all about print and println. So, and what are the variables of system class? Out is a one variable, in is another variable, ERR is the another variable. These are the three variables in the system class. System.out is used to output any value. System.in is used to take the input from the keyboard. System.error is going to throw an error. So there are methods also in the system class. Many methods are there. So exit method, it will exit the entire program. If you call the already predefined methods, this is. See, I'll call few more methods of system class. There are so many methods. So you want to know current time in milliseconds, you can call this. But this one is a return time, which returns a long, it is returning data. So because you didn't end the method statement must end with a semicolon. In Java, statement must end with a semicolon. So I want to print this out, time value. Time value is, so I kept in double quotes, that's a string value. Then I want to join plus time, this variable, because this output I am storing here and that I am printing here. So let's print that value. So I'm printing. See now, what is the current time in milliseconds? It will print. And that I stored in one variable here, time val. See, the value is this one. So this is the time in milliseconds. Like that, you can use multiple methods. For example, you want to get your environment variable value. You can get the environment variable value also. System dot get env. So there is a get env. And give I want to Java home value. So you will get automatically Java home value. This method is giving a string type data. See, the return type of this method is string type. String Java path equal to, that's. So this is the variable and this is bringing the value and you can print it. Let's print this value. The shortcut for system.out.println is type SYSO, then press the control space bar at a time. Okay. Control space bar, you put one finger on the control, other finger on the space bar. At a time, you need to press and release. And press enter key. See, you don't need to write system.out.println. Just type SYSO, control space bar, press enter key. You will get the system.out.println by default. And I'm joining. Plus is a joining operator in the Java path variable. What is the Java path? Where Java is installed, that path will be stored here. This method will go and get your environment variable value. What is this Java underscore home value? It will fetch. So that's another method. Please know that. See, here only Java is installed, right? So you got that value. Okay. This is what you set in the environment variable for this.
We can get any variable values, Ramesh?
Any variable value, any variable. You just give the variable name.
Variable name, okay.
And you will get any variable value. But you need to store in this some variable, any variable that is a string type data. Okay. The type is string type. And this is a variable name. And assignment operator, this value is assigned to this variable. That value you are printing. That's what you printed this value. Okay. So this is the how you can use system variables, system methods, get env, current time in milliseconds. So many methods are there. You can use them. Now, println I already told. Any questions?
But we need to give the parameters if it is there parameterized.
Yeah.
Or not. That
because this method is a parameterized. That's why you are giving a parameter. but this method is not parameterized.
Parameterized, yeah.
The methods also different types. We are going to learn them in the subsequent
Okay.
topic. There is a methods topic. So there you will get all this. What is a parameterized method, non-parameterized method, all those things.
Okay, Ramesh. Okay.
Okay. We already discussed about println and print method, right? So you know already. Println means, so it prints the value and cursor will go to new line. Print method means it prints the value, cursor will stay at the end of the line. Okay. So I'll practice these print statements, create a different classes and practice more. And so that's what you need to do this weekend. Create a different classes and create a different print statements, all type of data you print and call these methods and know what is mean by system.out. This entire thing you need to explain to me, each and every word. What is system, what is dot, what is out, what is println, and everything you need to tell. So, and how many system variables are there, and so what is mean by each variable. Okay. So, and what is println, what is print difference. So this is the, please go through this and read carefully this. Okay. Yeah. Any questions?
Fine, Ramesh, as of now.
Sorry.
Fine as of now, Ramesh. That's what I said.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. So, Bhargavi, you have any questions?
No, sir, clear.
So you have a lot of work, Bhargavi. You have to set up the environment. You have to download all these tools. Java, first start with the Java installation. If you have a
Okay,
doubt,
yeah.
call me.
Yeah.
Don't wait till Monday.
Okay, sir, I will if you have any doubt.
Once you get a laptop, first start immediately Java installation. And so this IDE tools, then launch them, all this. So if you want in India, I will give some person number. You can talk to, they will help you also. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay,
Yeah.
thank you, sir.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you.
But don't waste time. Okay. You need to read again this manual testing also. This weekend we thought there is an interview, right? Are you guys ready?
Yeah,